Hello guys, welcome back to another amazing video with amazing sketching, fashion illustration, dress painting. Fashion illustration is an artistic form that bridges the world of fashion design and fine art. It captures the essence of a style, creativity, and individuality, showcasing not just clothing but the mood, energy, and personality of a design. Let's dive into the vibrant world of fashion illustration and painting, where imaginations come to life and proper. The fashion illustration is more than drawing garments. It's about telling a story behind this thinking. From the delicate strokes that outline a flowing dress to bold, vibrant colors that breathe life into accessories. Every element keeps volumes. The artist's unique perspective transforms a flat idea into a dynamic visual. Fill the movement and emotion. Techniques and mediums. Illustrator use a wide range of techniques, colors, and mediums. Watercolors brings a soft, dreamy. Acrylic color comes a dynamic, dreamy quality, while makers and ink and sharpness add sharpness and precision. Some prefer digital tools for versatility, while others stick to traditional pencil and paint into for a tactile experience. Each will shape the final artwork, reflecting the illustrator's style and vision and thinking. The importance of detail of dresses. Details are crucial in fashion illustration. The subtle shimmer of satin, chiffon, beautiful fabric, the intricate lace work, motifs work, color work, patchwork, or the soft fold of a flowing fabric. All these elements demand attention. Artists often study fashion trends, fabric textures, and even the personality of the models to ensure the illustrator are as realistic and compelling as possible. Painting in fashion illustration. Painting adds depth and richness to the illustration. The play of light and shadow, the blending of hues and layering of texture, they create three-dimensional effect. A splash of vibrant color or a subtle gradient can change the entire mood of the design, making it stand out. Fashion illustration are not just sketches, they works of art. They embody creativity, skill, and fashion, inspiring designers, influencing trends, and connectivity audience to the ever-evolving world of fashion, whether on a canvas or a digital screen. These illustrations remind us that fashion is more than what we wear. It's an expression of who we are. So if you like the video, if you like the way of sketching, if you like these arts, so go into my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. So viewers, here's a very amazing and beautiful gorgeous designs. Here we're ready for beautiful illustrated painting, ready to wear. It's a unique and beautiful Indo-Pak bridal dresses, very beautiful evening gown. So viewers, thanks for watching. Keep styling, keep smiling, and keep watching my channel. It's a very unique and beautiful idea. Stay with us, stay tuned. Arts and craft, colorify, and many more channels. So viewers, if you like the free course of fashion design, follow for more. Comment section में जाकर जरूर बताइएगा कि आप और कैसे डिजाइन सीखना पसंद करें.